Hello students, welcome back to KB Rai Academy online study channel. Myself Ramesh Maurya, your mathematics teacher. In previous video we completed our lesson 4 and in this video we are going to start our new lesson which is coordinate geometry. First of all, I would like to introduce you about coordinate geometry. So, the French mathematician René Descartes in 1637 introduced the Cartesian system of coordinates for the position of a point in a plane. So, the Cartesian system of coordinates bring the coordinate geometry. Due to Cartesian system of coordinate, the coordinate geometry was started. So, I will tell you what is coordinate geometry. So, the branch of mathematics in which geographic problems are solved through algebra by using the coordinate system is known as the coordinate geometry. In coordinate geometry, we solve the question by plotting the coordinates in the Cartesian plane, or we can say in graph, and we find the solution. After that, I am going to tell you ordered pair. What is ordered pair? So, a pair of numbers A and B located in a specific order with A at first and B at second position, that is called coordinate pair. Ordered pairs. For example, I told you A and B. So A and B this way. This is a ordered pair where two numbers are taken. For example, if A is 2 and B is 3, then it will be 2 and 3. So, always in ordered pair, there will be two numbers in a sequence. And after that, I am going to tell you coordinate axes. What are coordinate axes? So, when we draw two lines in a plane such that they are perpendicular to each other and they intersect each other at right angle, so these lines will be known as axes. For example, this is one line and another perpendicular line to it. This is another line. Let this intersecting point is O, and this is X and Y here, and this one X dash, where it is X, so it will be X dash, and here it is Y dash. So this is axis which is horizontal or which is parallel to the earth is known as x-axis, and the line which is horizontal or perpendicular to the earth, it is called y-axis. So these x and y are the two axes of the coordinate geometry. So x o x dash and y o y dash, these are the two axes. And after that, I am going to tell you about the convention of signs. What are the convention of sign? So the point taken towards OX and OY, OX and OY, these are considered as positive, and the points taken towards the OX dash and OY dash, these are considered as negative. This is O and this point is 0. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So these are positive. Here also positive. So 1, 2, 3, 4. But OH dash represents negative. So toward this side we consider it as negative. So -1, -2, -3, -4 like that. And OI dash also it represents negative numbers. So here also -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. So the convention of signs, it is considered OX and OY dash, OI positive and OX dash and OY dash as negative. And after that, coordinates of a point in a plane. Let there is a point P in this plane. Suppose here it is point P. So we need to find the coordinate of that point. So for finding the coordinates, first of all we will check the distance of the point from the y-axis, means the distance on the x-axis. This distance is from y-axis. So you can see P is 4 units away from the x-axis and it is 2 units away from the the P is 4 units away from the y-axis and it is 2 units away from the x-axis. So first of all we write the distance from y-axis. So it is 4 and from x-axis it is 2. So 4, 2. And this is the coordinate for the point P. So for plotting coordinate, we need to find the point of distance from the y-axis and x-axis. And first we put the distance from y-axis and after that we put the distance from x-axis and we get the coordinate of the given points. So and after that I will show you what are quadrants. You can see that these lines divide the plane into 4 parts. You can see 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these 4 parts are known as quadrants. This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant and this is fourth quadrant. So according to the quadrant, what will be the sign convention? So in this point, when we plot the quadrant, it will be plus and this one will be also plus. So in first quadrant, the coordinate will be plus plus. In second one, first of all, we write the coordinate of x. So here it will be minus, but y-axis it is plus, so it will be minus plus. In third one, we will write first x-axis and after that y, and x also here it is minus and y also minus, so it will be minus minus. And in this one, first we write x, so x it is positive and y here it is negative, so it will be plus minus. So this way we can find that the given quadrant or given coordinate lies in which quadrant. If it is plus plus, it will be in first quadrant. It is minus plus, then it will be in second quadrant. If it is minus minus, it will be in third quadrant, and if it is plus minus, it will be in fourth quadrant. So today we discussed some basic things about quadrant geometry. That's all. Thank you.